Hi all, myself Aditya Ninachinke and today's date is 27th of July 2022 and I am here to speak on the topic of the difference between the object-oriented programming and object-based programming. So let us see what is the difference between them. First one, object-oriented programming supports all the features of the OOP such as inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, etc. In object-based programming, the features of the OOP such as polymorphism, inheritance are not supported. Then, second point, that in the object-oriented programming, there is no object by default. In object-based programming, there is the object by default. For example, in JavaScript, Windows object is there. Then, third point, in object-oriented programming, it is used in the languages such as the languages that work on the object-oriented programming are C++, then C Sharp is there, then Java is there, then Python is there. In object-based programming, the language that works on the object-based programming are JavaScript or VB or etc. Then next, the object-oriented programming, you can create class and object and inherit one class from other class. In object-based programming, you can create the class and object, but you cannot inherit one class from other class. Then in object-oriented programming, the overloading is supported. In object-based programming, overloading is not supported. Then the object-oriented programming, the it has the approach from bottom to top, and in object-based programming, the approach is from top to down. Then in object-oriented programming, it is more secure. Then the object-based programming is less secure as compared to the object-oriented programming. Then the object-oriented programming works on the data. The object-based programming works on the algorithm. Then the object-oriented programming has the access specifiers such as the public, private, protected. As compared to it, the object-based programming doesn't have any access specifiers such as the public, private, protected. Then the object-oriented programming, in object-oriented programming, data heading is possible. In object-based programming, data heading is not possible. So this is overall the difference between the object-based programming and object-oriented programming. Thank you.